The journey to financial success and wealth is a dream that captures the imagination of many. Yet, while the aspiration to become wealthy is universal, only a few manage to transform these dreams into tangible prosperity. To truly succeed on this journey, one must master the art of money management, make informed financial decisions, and invest wisely to nurture their wealth over time. The wisdom of following in the footsteps of those who have already achieved financial success is invaluable. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into 5 key practices that distinguish the wealthy from the less fortunate, offering in-depth insights and examples to guide you on your path to lasting prosperity. The power of meticulous expense tracking. One of the fundamental principles that set the wealthy apart is their unwavering commitment to tracking every expenditure with precision. If you were to ask the average person about their monthly expenses on necessities and entertainment, they might find it challenging to provide accurate figures. Similarly, inquiring about their savings for the same period might draw blank expressions. It's a sobering fact that 61% of American adults do not utilize any form of budgeting. In stark contrast, affluent individuals recognize the paramount importance of budgeting and meticulously monitoring their expenses as essential steps on the path to financial success. They often employ a 2-step approach to manage their finances effectively. First, they calculate their anticipated income for the upcoming month, encompassing their salary, business profits, and potential investment earnings. This sum serves as the initial reference point for employing the 20-30-50 budgeting method, which involves allocating income as follows. 50% is designated for essential living costs, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% is allocated to leisure expenses, like dining out and entertainment. 20% is diligently set aside for direct savings into a dedicated account. The wealthy meticulously monitor their expenses, often utilizing digital tools like Mint to automatically categorize expenditures. Some prefer traditional methods, such as jotting down purchases in their phone's Notes app and manually calculating totals at month end. Regardless of the method, they understand that without measurement, effective financial management is improbable. This meticulous tracking might seem less critical for those with limited incomes, but it's essential to recognize that developing sound financial habits early on brings long-term benefits. For instance, consider the journey of Sarah, a recent college graduate who decides to meticulously track her expenses from the moment she starts her first job. Sarah's starting salary is relatively modest, but her commitment to tracking every dollar spent and adhering to a budget allows her to save a substantial portion of her income over time. As she advances in her career and earns more, her disciplined approach to financial management becomes even more crucial. By continuing to allocate her income wisely and track her expenses diligently, she steadily grows her savings and financial security. The role of financial discipline. Wealthy individuals consistently stress the vital role that financial discipline plays in their journey to prosperity. Whether asked about becoming rich or achieving success in general, they emphasize the significance of discipline at every stage. This principle is universal, regardless of the specific path one chooses to follow. For instance, if your aspiration is to secure a high-paying job, you must possess the discipline to pursue a quality education, which often entails years of rigorous study and preparation. The commitment to maintaining discipline throughout this educational journey is non-negotiable. Similarly, if your path to riches involves building a business, discipline becomes the cornerstone of your success. Dedicating yourself to your company's growth and development, even when your peers are enjoying social gatherings and leisure activities, is a testament to the strength of your financial discipline. As you make more money, financial discipline becomes even more crucial. It's vital to understand that your income level doesn't solely determine your wealth. Your ability to save and invest wisely is the ultimate determining factor. Wealthy individuals recognize that saving money is a fundamental component of building lasting wealth. Consider the journey of Mark, a self-made millionaire who attributes his success to unwavering financial discipline. Mark began his career in a relatively modest position but was determined to make the most of his earnings. Instead of succumbing to lifestyle inflation and upgrading his possessions as his income increased, Mark made a conscious choice to live below his means. He opted to continue driving his reliable, 10-year-old car rather than indulging in the allure of a new luxury vehicle. Mark's dedication to financial discipline extended beyond his choice of vehicle. He consistently allocated a significant portion of his income to savings and investments, understanding that his ability to accumulate wealth depended on his capacity to save and invest wisely. Mark's disciplined approach enabled him to build a substantial financial cushion and achieve long-term financial security. It's essential to recognize that financial discipline is not just a characteristic of the wealthy. It's a trait that anyone can cultivate and apply to their financial journey. As you develop and refine your discipline in financial matters, you'll pave the way for lasting prosperity. The art of living below your means. Contrary to the stereotype of millionaires living lavishly and spending extravagantly on luxury goods, many wealthy individuals are, in fact, prudent spenders who adhere to a lifestyle that aligns with their financial means. Their ability to accumulate substantial wealth can be attributed in part to their expertise in avoiding the pitfalls of the income trap. The income trap ensnares individuals as their earnings increase. It's a phenomenon where, as income rises, spending tends to rise proportionally. For example, a modest sedan may more than adequately fulfill your transportation needs when your annual income is $50,000. However, as your earnings double or even triple, you might be tempted to upgrade to a luxury vehicle, driven by the belief that your improved financial status warrants such indulgences. This surge in spending is often governed by Parkinson's law, which suggests that spending tends to match the amount available for spending. However, this mindset can lead to financial insecurity and the inability to build lasting wealth. The concept of living below your means is not just for the wealthy. It's a practice that can benefit anyone on the path to financial security and success. By adopting a lifestyle that aligns with your current financial status, you can free up resources to allocate towards savings, investments, and wealth-building activities. To illustrate this point, let's consider the story of Lisa, a young professional who is determined to achieve financial security and prosperity. Lisa understands the importance of living below her means, even as her income steadily grows over time. Instead of succumbing to the allure of lifestyle inflation, Lisa continues to budget meticulously, limiting her expenses to what is necessary for her well-being and happiness. Lisa's commitment to living below her means extends to her housing choices. She chooses a modest apartment that is well within her budget, even though she could afford a more luxurious residence. This conscious decision allows her to allocate a significant portion of her income towards savings and investments, ensuring a bright financial future. The practice of living below your means holds even greater significance for entrepreneurs and business owners. Business ventures often experience both prosperous and challenging periods, marked by substantial revenues and economic downturns. If your spending significantly surpasses your means during prosperous phases, you will be ill-equipped to weather the storm of economic decline. Such financial strain could potentially lead to the bankruptcy of your business. It's essential to recognize that living below your means is not about depriving yourself of life's pleasures, but about making deliberate choices that align with your long-term financial goals. By embracing this practice, you can pave the way for financial stability, long-term wealth accumulation, and greater peace of mind. The wealth-building power of strategic investments. One of the hallmarks of the wealthy is their recognition of the transformative power of strategic investments. While the average person might be inclined to spend their earnings immediately or stash them away in a low-yield savings account, the wealthy prioritize investing their money to make it work for them. Savings accounts, although a safer option, offer minimal interest, typically just 0.09% per year. This means that if you save $50,000, you'd only make around $45 in interest. The wealthy understand that to grow their wealth significantly, they must venture beyond the confines of traditional savings accounts. For example, consider the journey of Amanda, a diligent saver who understands the importance of investing her money wisely. Instead of depositing her savings in a standard savings account, Amanda allocates a portion of her earnings to investment opportunities that offer the potential for substantial returns. She diversifies her investments across various assets, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Amanda recognizes that strategic investments, coupled with disciplined financial management, hold the key to unlocking her financial potential. By embracing a diversified investment portfolio, she aims to not only preserve her wealth but also allow it to grow exponentially over time. Amanda's journey is a testament to the wealth-building power of strategic investments. It's essential to understand that the journey to wealth is not solely about earning money but also about making your money work for you. Investments provide the opportunity to generate additional income, appreciate in value, and ultimately contribute to your long-term financial security. The wealthy understand that to achieve financial success, it's crucial to develop an investment strategy tailored to their goals and risk tolerance. Investing early in life yields significant benefits, and the power of compounding cannot be underestimated. Take, for instance, the story of Robert, who decided to start investing in his early 20s. Robert's initial investments were modest, but he consistently contributed to his portfolio over time. As the years went by, the returns on his investments began to compound, and the growth of his wealth became increasingly pronounced. Robert's early commitment to investing not only enabled him to build substantial wealth but also gave him the freedom to make choices that aligned with his goals and values. This power of early and consistent investment is a crucial lesson for anyone on the path to financial success. The principle of preserving wealth. What truly distinguishes prosperous individuals from the less affluent is their steadfast commitment to preserving their wealth. While some wealthy individuals may indulge in luxury spending, this doesn't diminish their financial security. This is due to their unwavering avoidance of touching the principal amount. In financial terms, the principal refers to the original sum of money invested in an asset. For instance, if you were to purchase 10 shares for $100,000, generating an annual dividend of $20 per share, the initial $100,000 invested is the principal, while the $20 per share represents the dividend income. The rich avoid using up the assets that generate income for them, which safeguards their wealth from their spending choices. This practice not only preserves their wealth but also allows it to continue growing over time. For example, consider the story of John, a successful entrepreneur who enjoys a luxurious lifestyle. John's financial success has allowed him to afford the finest things in life, from extravagant vacations to high-end automobiles. However, John's commitment to preserving his wealth is unwavering. He understands that the key to long-term financial security is to protect the principal and ensure it remains untouched by his spending choices. John's approach is a testament to the principle of preserving wealth, a practice that underpins the financial security of many prosperous individuals. This principle, which centers on safeguarding the original sum of money invested, ensures that wealth remains intact and continues to work for the individual, even in the face of extravagant spending. It's essential to recognize that while spending money is a natural part of life, the wealthy are adept at making choices that protect the principal and allow their wealth to continue growing. This unwavering commitment to preserving wealth sets them apart and ensures their financial security for years to come. The journey to financial success and lasting wealth is a path filled with challenges and opportunities. By adopting the practices that distinguish the wealthy from the less fortunate, you can significantly enhance your financial well-being and secure a prosperous future. From meticulous expense tracking to unwavering financial discipline, from living below your means to making strategic investments and preserving your wealth, these principles offer a roadmap to financial success. Remember that achieving financial success is not solely about the amount of money you earn, but rather how you manage and grow the money you have. By embracing these practices and making them an integral part of your financial journey, you can chart a course toward lasting prosperity. As you navigate the complexities of personal finance and wealth building, these principles will serve as your guide, empowering you to overcome challenges and seize opportunities on your path to financial success.